Hi, so today we got another snack box, which is bigger than this one we got last time. But I think this one had more snacks. So we're gonna open it.
We're gonna open this snack.
Yeah, this one is empty.
Yeah, that one is empty. I'm just
It says the land of many Harrys.
because there's Harry Potter right there.
Yeah.
Huh?
So it comes with these two books. This isn't a book.
Oh, this
It
is
says
a real
it came
book.
from the United Kingdom.
Oh my gosh. Yes, it is.
Okay,
Let's try one now. Let's try some
Okay.
candy. Let's see.
so these pickled onion rings.
Pickled onion rings.
Johnny's pickled onion rings.
And where is that from?
This is from the United Kingdom.
Oh, they're all from the United
Yeah.
Kingdom. Okay. Let's see. Oh, okay. Let's see. It has info about all of them on
They
here.
actually smell like pickles.
Let me smell them.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, they smell good. They smell like
They
fries
smell
mixed up with pickles.
Ooh, those do smell really good.
They smell like
Yeah.
super good.
Okay, let's try one. Here.
Let me
They're
try
little
one.
tiny Cheerio looking things. They're really sour.
Are they? Is it good, Jack?
They're really good though.
Yeah, I don't taste any sourness.
You don't taste any sourness? Oh my gosh, these are really good.
Mm-hmm.
They taste like, they do taste like pickles and onion rings. Exactly.
Okay.
I just
so
want
put
one
this
pickle.
back in
Let's
here.
eat this.
Let's eat that last. This is
Oh my
secret
gosh.
things, so
Oh,
we're gonna
okay.
eat that last.
Yeah, let's eat this. Our secret thing.
Those are
Okay.
very
Our
sour.
secret things feel hard.
Okay. And then it also,
What's that one?
this is shortbread.
Ooh.
Light and crumbly shortbread rounds, it says.
Let's see it. Okay.
These look really fancy. Okay, Jack, let's split one.
Is there only one there?
There's two. But I'm gonna split it.
Okay, let's see.
Here, try some.
Okay.
Mmm.
Yummy.
Eat the rest.
You guys like that one?
Mm-hmm. That's really good.
And this is the Universal Yums box.
Mm-hmm. Okay, this is honey and mustard potato chips.
I didn't know that one under it's an herb.
Yeah, that's right.
And then it's
And
that's like the
then you get one every month.
Yeah, that's right. From
Okay.
a different place.
Okay, this is a big chip. I'm gonna split
What
it.
is that? Honey mustard?
and mustard potato chips.
Ooh. Oh, so your shortbread were from Scotland.
It's kind of spicy. It tastes like almonds.
It tastes familiar.
Give me one you didn't slobber on.
Oh my god, it's kind of spicy.
Oh.
I know.
Oh, those are spicy.
Okay. Let's try this thing. It has a dragon on the front. It says this is also potato chips, but it's lamb and mint
Oh my
flavored.
goodness. And those are Welsh.
And these are what?
Welsh.
Yeah,
Lamb?
lamb.
So they cooked lamb?
Yeah, so this is lamb flavored with mint. I do not know how this is gonna taste. Here, let's
It's
try a
a
little
lamb,
piece
like-
first.
Like the animal lamb.
It's really bad. I don't like the flavor. Come over here more, Jack.
I hate lamb.
So, I'll take that. It's not good. Try a little bit. You're not gonna like it.
I
Oh.
Jack, come on. You
It's
gotta
not,
eat the
it's
snack.
not that bad.
Okay.
You guys don't like that one?
I don't like it.
don't like
It's okay. I like it.
I think we're gonna rate that the weird one.
Weird. I like it. It's not too bad. It's
It's
minty
weird
and
though.
I like it. What's this one?
This is yummy banana toffee.
Ooh.
This is the one we were thinking is gonna taste good.
The best.
Yeah.
We looked at them, but we got the idea.
Oh, okay. So it says whack, then unwrap and enjoy. So I think you're supposed to bang it. Yeah. Let's see. Did it break?
Yeah, it broke a little bit. Okay.
So I think it's kind of like
Looks good.
maybe a little bit
Maybe like,
like
chocolate Laffy Taffy.
maybe I think it's
It's
banana, but
Yeah.
Okay. This is really hard to open.
Okay, I'll go get you the scissors here.
Oh, okay.
I'll try a little harder. Oh, I got it open.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. Okay. Here's some for you.
Okay, I want one. You like
Oh my
it?
gosh, it smells so good. Mmm.
It is just like
That
banana.
is so good. It does.
That is really good.
I love this.
That one is really yummy, isn't it?
It might be like that pineapple jelly answer though.
That it doesn't taste good after.
Oh, have you guys seen our?
It's really yummy,
If
isn't
you
it?
guys seen our candy haul where there's jelly answers and then that pineapple one we liked it when you get to like halfway the end, it tastes like gasoline.
Yeah, the aftertaste was really yucky, huh?
And then also the orange one.
Mm-hmm.
The orange one I like.
Yeah, he likes it. Okay, this is Toffee Flapjack.
Ooh.
That's your name, Jack.
Yeah.
Okay. It looks like it's gonna be pumpkin flavored.
Ooh.
Okay, I'll take off a little piece.
Is that the last one before the surprise box?
Let me see.
Or before the surprise thing?
Yeah.
Oh, that went by really fast.
Okay.
Oh, this banana one is so yummy.
It tastes like, it tastes kind of like, it's not very good.
It's not good?
It's good, just it doesn't have much of a flavor.
Maybe, you're only having crumbs of it. That's probably why. Take an actual bite, see?
It still doesn't have much flavor.
Do you like it, Doc? Did you try it?
It's good though. And then time for our secret bag.
Mm-hmm.
Yum bag, it says. Can't wait.
Oh no, that one's good. It tastes like
So
it tastes like oatmeal a little bit.
it looks like 2 lemon drops and then like pumpkin flavored candy, but I don't know.
Hmm.
So it says it might be sweet, crazy, sour, yummy, wild.
Are you still eating your banana
Crunchy.
one, Jack? You got a
Can I throw it
really
away?
big piece. Yeah, if you don't want any more. You got too big of a piece?
I want to try this.
Okay. What is it?
It's like
Oh.
sweet.
Ooh, that says that it's fizzy orange and champagne. So it's like, kind of like,
Does it have champagne in it?
no. But it
I
would be
like
like, sparkling cider.
I like it.
Is it yummy?
Mm-hmm.
And
I
let's
like
see.
that.
The other one
A
is lemon sherbet. Hard
Mm.
candies.
Okay, this is really soft.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
That smells really good. I can smell it from here.
It tastes really good.
Okay. Shaped like a lemon kind of.
Aww. Wait till you're done with the other one.
I'm
Bub.
done.
Oh, you ate that fast.
It's chewy, that's why.
Is it good?
Mhm.
Does it taste like a lemon drop?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Is it fizzy?
Like, no, it just tastes like a sweet candy.
It says that
It's sweet.
ice cream like dessert, and it says that there's fizzy candy inside.
It's not fizzy right now.
maybe in the middle, kind of like those
Those sour balls?
like those the salt candies that I got.
Oh yeah, the sour balls. Did you see? If you guys saw the video where we opened that other snack box,
Where we
the
opened the
Turkish
snack box,
veggies box, yeah, that one.
the sour balls, those sour balls, they turn into gumballs.
Oh my goodness.
He took one lick and went crazy. He just went
They
like,
were too sour.
yeah, but then once you chew it, after 10 seconds, it turns into bubble gum.
Oh, this has a little recipe in here.
While we were making the video, we were like, was like, okay, let's try this for 10 minutes because it says there's a surprise waiting for you. She said that. So,
After 10 seconds.
yeah.
Okay, so what do you guys think? Do you think that you like the Universal Yums box, or did you
Yeah.
like the Turkish munchies box
I
better?
like this one more.
You
I
like
think
this
I
one
like them both, but this one had more salty things, and then the other one had more sweet
more
things.
sweet things?
Yeah, I like this one. And both, I like them both the same, but I like this one a bit more.
Okay.
Yeah, me too. But I like the wafers in that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one was pretty good with all those wafers.
And this one you get a little card. You get to vote on your favorites. And then
Can we
you
make
also
another
get
video in this
to
one? Like with the craft video, we were already gonna make that.
and then you get to vote for what you want for your next box. So okay.
Mm-hmm.
You guys say bye.
Bye.
Bye.